Let's see how to simplify the cubic root. Let A denote that. So let A equals cubic root of square root of 5 minus 2. Then A cubed equals square root of 5 minus 2. Let B cubed denote the conjugate. So let B cubed equals square root of 5 plus 2. So you see A cubed times B cubed equals square root of 5 squared minus 2 squared, right? Which is 1. Taking cubic root for both sides, so we get A times B equals 1. Because we have two variables A and B, so we need another equation. Let's consider A cubed minus B cubed. So we get square root of 5 minus 2 minus square root of 5 plus 2. Square root of 5 minus square root of 5 cancel. So we get -2 minus 2, so -4. Now, left side, apply difference cubes formula. So we get A minus B times A squared plus AB plus B squared equals -4. So A minus B, we change the second factor as A minus B squared. Then we know here we have minus 2AB, but the outcome should be plus AB. So we need to add 3AB. And move -4 to the left side. So we get plus 4 equals 0. Distribute. So we get A minus B cubed plus 3AB times A minus B plus 4 equals 0. Now because 1, I denote it as 1. Okay, so because 1, AB equals 1. So we get A minus B cubed plus 3A minus B plus 4 equals 0. To make the equation look simpler, let's do a substitution. Let T equals A minus B. So we get T cubed plus 3T plus 4 equals 0. By inspection, we know -1 should be a solution. So we break 4 to 1 plus 3. So we get T cubed plus 1 plus 3T plus 3 equals 0. We can write that as 1 cubed. So apply the sum of cubes formula. So we get T plus 1 times T squared minus T plus 1. The second two terms take 3 out, so T plus 1 equals 0. Take the common factor T plus 1 out, so we get T squared minus T plus 1 plus 3, so plus 4 equals 0. So we get either T plus 1 equals 0 or T squared minus T plus 4 equals 0. From the first one, we get T equals -1. For the second one, because the discriminant delta equals -1 squared minus 4 AC, so it will be 1 times 4, so it will be -15 less than 0. So no real solution. So the only real solution would be T equals -1. But we know T equals A minus B. So we get T equals A minus B, right? But T equals -1. Then both sides times -1, so we get B minus A equals 1. So B equals A plus 1. We denote it as 2. Now substitute 2 into 1, right? So we get A times B, which is A plus 1 equals 0. So expand it, so we get equals 1, equals 1. Okay, so expand it, so we get A squared plus A minus 1 equals 0. Now we can use quadratic formula. So we get A equals -1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times 1 times -1 divided by 2 times 1. So we get -1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4, 5 over 2. But from here, you know a must be greater than 0. So I'll say, because a greater than 0, we can only take plus. So a can only be -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. That is the final answer. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.